art channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I'm starting a new artwork. I have bought a new canvas and I'm going to start. So my dear friend, for those who didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, put your thumbs up and enjoy my videos. On this channel you can find a lot of interesting tutorials and paintings. So let's make fun and make art with me. I suppose you'll be very happy and inspired. Now I'm going to tell you about the starting of my new painting. Recently, as I mentioned, I have bought a new canvas. This size is 70 centimeters by 70 centimeters. It is square. So I'm going to paint a series of my paintings. I paint with acrylic. As you noticed, I paint in a watercolor technique. I like it because in my daily life I usually paint with watercolor, and that's why it's my favorite technique. So, by the way, also I paint with oil. I like this material because with it you can transfer the softness and a very interesting effect to your picture. For new subscribers, I'm going to show my latest painting from my new series. It is also 70 centimeters by 70 centimeters. In this area of my artworks, I want to paint pictures connected with architecture. So I want to paint architecture, and in the center of my composition I want to paint people and some situation from our everyday routine. So I like it. I like when picture have its own story. I think it's very magnificent and inspiring. It's very nice when you can see on the picture and not only watch on it by also thinking. As for me, on my new canvas, I want to imagine one of the most beautiful architectures. I didn't know what I'm going to paint, but I think in several days I'll find some references I wanted to paint. Then I'll create my own story in the center of my composition. By the way, I can add that I was inspired by Italian artist Massimiliano. I'll leave his Instagram in the comments below, there you can find him and also to be inspired by his beautiful artworks. I decided for myself that I adore to paint architecture and different people with oil, and I wanted to start my 6th painting series connected with it. So I hope you'll support my art and you like this idea. After painting of my 6th picture, I want to organize the exhibition, but I don't know where I want to do it, but I want to try. Also, if artists watch me, please let me know if you took part in any exhibitions. I'm eager to know about your experience. Please write me in the comments below and I will talk about it with you. I hope one day someone will be also inspired by my artworks. And so, my dear friends, it's everything what I wanted to tell you about my latest news. and I will start to sketch my new picture, and I hope that I'll paint a very beautiful picture and you will like it. Well, I want to wish you a very good day, to be always inspired by something and be in a good mood. So, bye bye!